Tyler for Love guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It's great to have you back. Just want to quickly give a big shout out to all our subscribers. We've passed 3,000 subscribers as of Wednesday this week. So it's a monumental achievement in my book, and I just want to thank you guys for everything, and especially the support that you guys have given us on this channel. So big ups and thank you to everyone that subscribed, new subscribers and our old subscribers. Thank you for sharing, thank you for liking, thank you for commenting here on our channel. Also just want to say big thank you to our super chat, our super thanks from Bob's your uncle. See you there for a kind donation for our channel. We really appreciate it, and thank you guys for the support as well. So today it is Saturday here in Samoa, and we're going to harvest some cocoa for our Koko Esi tonight. It's been a week of heavy eating, especially tomorrow's going to be heavy eating as well. It's Sunday. So we're going to make Koko Esi today using cocoa and our local papaya oesi for tonight's food. Just something light, and I thought it might be a good chance to show you guys how it's done and also how we harvest cocoa. As you guys know, cocoa is a multi-billion-dollar, million-dollar industry because of the chocolate that it makes. So I wanted to show you guys how it's done here in Samoa, especially for the hot beverage of Koko Samoa that we use it for, and also for the food we utilize cocoa for. So hope you guys enjoy today's content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel. I forgot to mention, guys, that my wife will be joining us for today's episode. Reason being is because the majority of these OG Samoan recipes is in my wife's books, and for me, it's farming is my book, is my area. Cooking, the real OG cooking, is my wife. So she's gonna take over to save me looking like an idiot. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoy. It'll be good as well. So that we can all see. My wife has been most of her life has been here in the village with her mother and siblings. So all the knowledge of these recipes have been passed down from her grandmother to her mother, and then from her mother to her. So I thought it's a good opportunity to probably have a look at it as well as share with you guys. So it's also good to keep the wife happy, because happy wife, happy life, As you guys can see, it's not that far. The cocoa is just behind our umukuka, where we do our food, so saves us from walking far away. See, that's some of our sweet potato growing here. Pineapples fruiting. Wife, they're just taking off the, so see, it's a lot of wasted cocoa on there. That's what happens when we don't do it in time. It's a lot of rotten, and the mice eat it. So I wanted to show you guys one of our many other plants that we've grown in and around all this area here, down that way. So these ones will be ready to harvest in about 5 years. This is still in its early stages, so looking very good. Established good roots, you guys can see that. So yeah, see today I'm the tourist, and I'm watching the my wife and son do the stuff, so it's good to be a tourist every now and then.
Back in school, while I was in primary school, we used to eat this one. Like when we don't have lunch, we used to go to this other lady's plantation, like cocoa plantation, and we get the ripe cocoa, and then we crack them open, and then we eat this one for lunch.
Telling my wife I'm not used to this life, the cocoa life.
We used to do this while we were little. Help out with my grandma and my mom. So that's how I know how to roast the cocoa bean. Save this one for later. These are dead cocoa beans.
Voila. So those are the bad beans. They're too small. They're like flat. But the good ones, give me a good one.
That's a good one. This is a bad one.
So this one's a good one because it's nice and big. This one's bad because it's flat, so which means there's not much inside. What I used to do back then was I used to just eat these, but I never really did the whole roasting thing. I used to eat off that sweet white stuff outside. And see, that's the bean. But is it ripe?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
and also fresh.
Oh, so you don't have to wait until it's like yellow?
Mm.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, it does look
Now
ripe
so you
anyway.
see, a little bit of yellow in the cocoa.
Yep. Oh, thank you. Wow. It's really good. It's got a very sour and sweet taste to it, so it's really nice. I like it.
Sam's thing to do is to put some little leaf on it so that it won't stick. It's a little taste to the Koko mango is when you fala the Koko and then fapa later. Koko maka is when you get the cocoa straight from the tree and then fapa right away. So Koko maka tastes a lot better than Koko mango.
Nice and hot, and then once it starts to die down just a little bit, then we'll add the beans onto it. Hasn't been long, but it's already starting to smell really good, like roasted coffee beans, but just a lot more. I don't know, it's got a really chocolate smell for some reason so early on. One thing I forgot to mention is that there's a lot of crying involved when we do cocoa because of the smoke. So it's not that we're emotional because of the cocoa, but it's because the smoke is coming into our eye. So that's why you don't cry too much, because it's gonna give the cocoa a bitter taste. But see, my wife's not crying because she's used to it. Or she's all out of tears. So we're gonna take it off the heat now, and then see what's the next step. So these are still raw, but this one is ready. So Gonna go through each bean, and then the raw ones are going back into the pink container, while the ones that are already roasted, that are good, are going into the maroon container. So you can tell, let's have a try at this. Break off the outer shell.
This one is ready.
This one is slightly raw, but on the verge of being ready. We could probably throw that here where the ready ones are, but we'll look for a raw one. See, break off the shell. This is definitely raw. Just break off the shell and see, so it's still raw, not yet fully roasted. Put that here, and that's going to go back onto the heat. But these ones are going to get ready for pounding. Loi there just placed the tools that we use for the pounding, which is the so it's the Ka'ango malma. I know what it's called, but I don't know what it's called in English. So it's called the Ka'angoa kui Koko, and the ma'a, the auka. So you see, that's why cocoa is very expensive, because of the time and effort that goes into making it, as well as the roasting part of it. I think cocoa prices have gone up, so they were like $6 for a small cup. They're now 12. Oh, some 12, some 15, so it's gone up almost double, more than doubled in some parts of Samoa. So I guess that's people just trying to charge more because of the effort that goes into it, and plus it's a lot of it is mostly exported now. So there are some people who make it and some people export it, so they're just trying to get more for their efforts. Getting ready for the final countdown.
Asa eula niya ele so sa eula. Ang lawalo sila pa ulo ko so en iya penso sa eula.
So it actually starting to smell like chocolate now, and the reason being is because the second roast that we're doing actually is releasing a lot of that smell and getting that flavor. So it's almost done, but you guys can see we still got to keep going. Almost there. We'll try to find as much of the ready beans as we can without burning them.
So it's all ready.
Yeah?
Wala already mga koko.
cocoa beans are now ready, and then now we're going to add it into the Matamaugaagrofarming, which is the Koko, which is the wooden contraption there, and then we're going to start pounding it. Start pounding the cocoa now, and then see the final result later. To be honest, the smell is amazing. It actually smells like chocolate now, so I wish it turned into a chocolate bar. So good. As you guys can see there, it's mostly turning into a paste now, and that's the reason why we heated up the Koko, so that the heat actually helps out in bringing out the moisture from the beans. Esi. Got the cocoa. Coconut cream. Started.
So this is how you make the Koko Esi. So you get the ripe papayas from the papaya tree, and then you cut them in half, and you take out the seeds and the other stuff that you don't use, and then you use the spoon to scoop the what you call it?
The flesh.
Yeah, the flesh of the Esi. And then we've got 4 papayas, and then you scoop it in the pot here. Pour a right amount of water into the pot. See here, I will need for a swabaina, I will need for a cocoa oil. I think that's enough. I'm just going to add a little bit because then that's going to make it really cocoa when you put the psycho inside. What's the Palami word for psycho?
Psycho.
I'm gonna put the psycho inside. Yeah. You don't have to wait until it's warm, because you know the psycho takes a while so might as well put it in. Then you do you want more psycho or?
That's enough, I think.
I like psycho.
You can add.
So ready, the psycho is almost ready, and we're gonna scoop in the Koko Samoa. Please. Mawangi din ang So dalau mole is just to create that smell, that really nice smell, add flavor to the Koko Esi. And then I'm gonna put in the pepe. Siya pa po po. Yep. Ready na. Okay. So it's done now. Ready to eat. It's up to you whether you want to put in a little bit of sugar.
Why is it not sweet?
Well, it depends. If the esi is not sweet, then you might as well put in a little bit of sugar. But if the esi is sweet, then you don't need sugar.
So can you taste it if it's sweet then? Alright guys, so that's our final result there. Big ups to the wife for helping us make this today. Just gonna have a taste of this. Oh wow, the sweetness of the esi, the papaya, goes really well in that chocolate smell from the cocoa. The thickness from the psycho and the coconut cream just balances everything out. Absolutely wonderful. So guys, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the harvesting of the cocoa pods and our little food for today, which is the Koko Esi. We hope you guys enjoyed today's content. We're about to leave soon to go to the shop to get some hot bread, some butter, which will really go down together. Then yeah, hopefully we'll see you guys on the next episode. We'd like to thank you again guys for the support that you've given the channel. We really appreciate it. Big thank you to everyone who's liked, comment, subscribe and shared our channel. This has really helped our channel grow, and you know, as a result we've seen a lot of the growth of the channel in the past few weeks. So really appreciate it guys, and thanks for the love. We hope you guys have a great weekend, and hopefully catch you on our cooking episode, which is coming up. Until then, God bless and stay safe, fam. See you guys.